Okay, the first few people I see when I get home are these two. Hi, Summer. Hey, Summer Bird. Hey, Sunflower. Yeah, they walk in my bedroom with me. One is missing. Not missing, but he's not here. She is not here, Rosie. Summer. Hey, Summer Bird. Sunflower. How are you? Okay, Zanana. This is Summer, the youngest of them all. This is me. When I see the outfit, are you sure? This is the outfit. And this is Sunflower. Okay. Alright guys, so what is happening right now is that I'm about to start baking. I actually run a home bakery. Sounds very big and all, but so I'm about to bake an order with 12 an order of 12 muffins that are due to a customer tomorrow morning. So that's what I'm going to do in the next 2 hours. Like for the next 2 hours, it's just 1 hour, and then the rest of it I'll rest and start studying at like 8 until 12, and then sleep, wake up in the morning, start my day again. That's my routine. If I don't do anything after work for the first 2 hours, if I don't have orders or cooking that day, I'll just be resting, watching something, catching up on the news, whatever that's happening, catching up with my boyfriend who I probably just saw at lunch. But yeah, that's just what I do after work. And then study. I also have classes run by Nadal. If you know that organization, it's currently running classes, so I also do that for it's usually 2 hours as well. Then start studying for the 4 hours of the rest of the night. Then yeah, but let's get on baking. I've been rambling a lot. Let's get on baking and see how this is. My setup. I'm about to make, okay, this is not for today. I'm about to make 24 muffins, and I've sifted this flour, sugar, baking soda, all of it together here. It was such a strenuous activity to sift all of this because I have a very small sift. Okay, let me just go switch off that TV. This is just eggs and vanilla essence. Trying to combine it. You're not trying to put in air, so don't overmix anything, but just make sure that the vanilla essence for the flavor and smell of vanilla. And I sometimes use vanilla extract, which is the more expensive and goodies part of vanilla, which is nicer but can be overwhelming. Okay, just to clarify and put things into perspective, this thing of here's the day of I graduate, this thing of glorifying overworking, I am still very much against it, we shouldn't be glorifying overworking. We need rest. I rest a lot. Don't think that just because today I'm having a busy day that all of my days are like this. Some days I don't bake, I just get back home and sleep. I don't even study. Some days I have to do the work. You have to put in the work. But this notion of that we have to be continually working like crazy people and never getting rest is just not my vibe. It's not my brand. Never be. It's never been my brand, even in varsity. So yeah, that was my timer for muffins, which are ready. So let's go check them out and yeah, get some rest. Do not be fooled by people just posting their productivity in the afternoon. We do rest and we have to rest. Okay, the muffins are gonna burn. And yes, I've spoken too much. I know somebody's recording this line. Because I have to study, I have to bake because I need extra cash. That's why I run the business and I actually enjoy baking. It doesn't take much of my time. It was one of those, let me look for a different income stream, and I really enjoy creating content for YouTube. So yeah, that's the only reason why I'm doing it. Not because it's like you guys are sleeping and I'm not resting, I'm doing this and that. No, that's not the idea. Okay, I need to go and put on some lip gloss and lip balm so that the rest of the video is not as crusty. See, told you I'm gonna rest at some point. I'm resting. I'm really tired. I honestly had a long day. I've been having long days, and I'll speak about my mental health maybe in the next video, but also not doing quite well there. So I've been really tired because of that, and yeah, but right now I need to rest for at least 30 minutes before I bath, refresh, and get on with books because I need to get that done. Outfit of the day. Look at it. Yeah, I know, I look really cute. Jeans are from Legit. This is from Identity. The boots are from Identity. And the crop top, just for me. So yes, I actually really like these jeans. There's currently a sale at Legit, so go check it out. Yay!